What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Burre Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please, you guys, hit the like button. If you could, hit the subscribe button. We got goals around here. We would like to make it to 1,000 subscribers. And also hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. You feel me? We really do got goals around here. So, we got a box, you feel me? Another box, man. How y'all feel, man? How y'all feel, man? We gonna unbox this. But like I said, before we unbox this, make sure you hit the like button. Hit that subscribe button, man. I'm a small channel. And I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And I'm trying to get my watch time up. So it mean a lot. Like I said, hit that subscribe button, man. Let's get into the box, though. I know you guys are tired of me talking. Sheesh. Alright, man, by the box, you should know what this is, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Steel. Oh, excuse me. OG Stealth in white. I said steel. OG Stealth in white. Is it clear to you? Alright. Let's get into the box, man. We're finally getting through these shoes, man. We're finally getting down to the nitty gritty. I think we got 3 more pairs of shoes to show you guys. One pair I've already worn because it's just the way it is. But let's look at these shoes, man. These shoes have been sitting here probably for about 3-4 weeks. We got the Jordan 1 Stealth. My first time seeing this shoe in hand. I've never seen this shoe in hand. It's not like I'm going to malls or anything like that to look at shoes. Definitely seen this shoe online, but I've never seen this shoe in hand. What do you guys think about this shoe? Now, in hand, the leather, it's not looking too bad. It's not like your regular Jordan 1 Low GR leather. It's a little bit softer. Actually, pretty soft. It could be better. It could be better, but it's not that bad, honestly. I'm not seeing this shoe like do heavy creasing. Now this is like a little bit out of my wheelhouse for this shoe, but I wanted it. I don't have enough like primarily white shoes in my collection with like neutral colors. All I got is like my neutral gray lows, right? So definitely wanted to get my hands on these. I thought this colorway was dope. I have the red and white pair. I think those are they the Heritage? What are those called? Anyways, I got the red and white ones with the same silhouette. Same silhouette with the, as far as like colorway goes, right? But red. Instead of it being gray, it's red. So I kind of want to complete the pack. And I think there's another pair out there too that I want to get my hands on. But these are clean, man. Nothing to gush over. Nothing to go crazy about. Oh, wow. This on the inside of this shoe, though. It's like suede. It's suede. Wow. Suede on the inside of the ankle collar. That caught me off guard. Didn't realize that. On the back of the shoe, on the back of the tongue, it has a goat, bro. You see that? That is crazy. I'm gonna have to look on the back, the rest of my other shoes. I never noticed that. Yeah, man, this is it, man. Let's look at the other shoe. Even on the Nike sign, bro, we're getting some like wrinkly, what do they call it? Old people skin leather. Not bad, not bad. Like I said, definitely not like shattered backboard. We know that's like the grill, you know, shattered backboard low or shattered backboard high, the leather on the shattered backboard. Not that good, but definitely good. Like, I don't see this shoe doing heavy creasing. I don't see it doing that. I think it's built for that, you know what I'm saying? This is gonna be a good wear. Like the neutral color. You guys get down in the comments, man. Let me know what you think about this shoe. I feel like I've repeated myself 2 or 3 times, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm definitely not seeing any quality control problems. Not on this shoe. That whole goat thing on the back, bro, I thought that was pretty dope. I think that was pretty dope. The suede on the inside ankle collar, dope. Small details, and like, I haven't watched any reviews, so I don't know if people are pointing out these details. Like I said, these shoes are at least a month behind release, right? So not a lot of people, you know what I'm saying? Regardless, they've made it to the sneaker seller, you know what I mean? But with that being said, man, extra laces? Wow. Right when I was about to end the video, move to 0. Extra laces. They're done with the whole plastic lace or plastic bag for the laces. Got a nice Nike. I'm impressed with this. This is dope. This is dope packaging, and I didn't even know this shoe came with extra laces. I was about to just end the video. So, comes with extra laces, you guys. So if they ain't told you, bruh, they come with extra laces. It got a goat on the back of the tongue, and the leather is pretty damn decent. Man, I rate these a 7 out of 10. Not a bad shoe, you guys. Not a bad shoe. Rock what you like, man. Don't be influenced by people. Don't even be influenced by me. I'm just showing you the shoe and giving you my opinion. You know what I'm saying? Rock what you like, you guys. It's your boy, Burre Collins. It's been beautiful talking to you guys, but I got kids I got to take care of. So make sure you hit the like button, the subscribe button, the notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy, Burre Collins. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out, you guys. Peace.